Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making spicy Parmesan chicken wings in the air fryer. If you're here for it, keep on watching. Also, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know down below you're new and leave me a like if you enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Okay guys, here are the ingredients you will need to make this recipe. I have some baking powder, dry parsley, we have garlic powder, Parmesan cheese, and these are the seasoning for the chicken. I'm using half teaspoon Old Bay, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of paprika. Yes, and also we have the dry pepper flakes, and we have some butter. I'll be using half a stick of butter unsalted, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. All right, and of course we have the chicken right here, nice and clean and ready to go. First thing we're going to be doing, we're going to pat dry our chicken because I just cleaned the chicken with water and vinegar. You gotta do that now. If you don't do it, it's your chicken. I am mad at you, but I have to do it. I have to wash it. I'm sorry. First thing we're going to be doing is drizzling some olive oil on the chicken. Give it a nice rub just like that. Then we can add our seasoning. Like I said, the measurement always will be, as usual, in the description box. So don't miss that out. Check it out, y'all. Now we're going to be adding in the baking powder. What does the baking powder do? It helps the chicken get nice and crispy and crunchy. Now if you have some cornstarch, and you can add a little bit, but I try to use baking powder only for this recipe. So just in case you don't have cornstarch, you can still make this recipe. Regardless, you will end up with that nice, crunchy, crispy chicken wings. Now we're going to pop them in the air fryer. Now, do not overstuff your air fryer. Make sure to give them some space to breathe, just like that. Now, if you are new to my channel, you have not considered to subscribe, please, I'm asking you, if you love this recipe, you will like my other recipes. I make some bomb. When I tell you bomb, just trust and believe. Delicious recipes here that you will enjoy. Please subscribe and let me know you're new in the comments so I can welcome you with a nice welcome message. Now guys, we're going to air fry this for 25 minutes on 400. Now make sure to flip it over about halfway through the cooking process because you want both sides to be nice and crispy. So I am going to flip them over. Now, if you want them to be extra crispy, you can leave them longer, but I am going to remove them once they're done. Now this is what we're working with so far. Look how golden brown these are and they're full of flavor. Now we're going to be making our garlic butter sauce. First thing I'm going to be doing is add my skillet to a stove. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to be placing the butter. I'm using unsalted butter because I like to add my own salt to things. Of course, you can use salted butter if you want. Once my butter is nice and melted, I am going to be adding the garlic. We're going to cook the garlic for about 30 minutes. Once it starts to fragrance, we're going to add the garlic powder. Once the garlic is nice and golden brown, we're going to remove it from the stove. Look how golden brown the garlic are and the smell. Oh my gosh. Now we're going to take that garlic butter. We're going to pour it all over our wings. And then I am going to be adding my dry parsley. Of course, you can use fresh parsley if you have some. And then I am going to be adding my pepper flakes. That's what's going to give it that nice and spicy flavor. You can add more pepper flakes if you want. You can add more of all of the ingredients if you want, except the salt, of course. And then I'm gonna save my Parmesan cheese for later. Now you can add it right away if you want, but I add it on top, and basically this is the recipe, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It was nice and quick, and it's the perfect quick meal for your family. And don't forget, if you enjoy this video, to give it a big thumbs up for me and subscribe if you are new to my channel. But before I let you guys go, I want to give a big shout out to everybody on the screen right now. Y'all the real MVP. And if you would like to join the channel, all you have to do is check the description box below. I want to thank every single one of you guys who have been supporting and rocking with your girl. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.